Okay, let's move to the question number 3. The graph of y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c has its vertex at 3, comma negative 5 and intersect the y-axis at 0, comma 31. Find the value of a, b, c. We know that this is the equation of the parabola, which has two representations. One is ax square plus bx plus c, and this equation can also be represented by a times x minus h whole square plus k, where h and k is the vertex. So we can use this format or representation to find the equation of the parabola. For example, we have y is equals to the a times x minus h whole square plus k, where h and k is the vertex given, which is 3 and negative 5. Plugging this vertex in this equation, we will have y is equals to a times x minus h. H is 3 whole square plus k, which is negative 5. So y is equals to a times x minus 3 whole square minus 5. This is the equation of the parabola which has the vertex 3, comma negative 5. This parabola also satisfies the point 0, comma 31 because this parabola intersect the y-axis at 0, comma 31. 0, comma 31 lie on parabola, so it will satisfy parabola equation. So plugging x coordinate and y coordinate in this equation, we will have 31 because y coordinate is 31 is equals to a times x minus 3 means 0 minus 3 because x coordinate is 0 minus 5. So this one is a negative 3 square minus 5, which is equals to 9a minus 5. So 9a minus 5 is equals to the 31, which is equals to the 36. So a is equals to the 4. So we have calculated the a. So plugging this value of a in the equation of parabola, plug a equals to 4 in equation of parabola, we will have y is equals to a, which is 4 times x minus 3 whole square minus 5. So when we solve this equation, we will have this format. So solving 4 times x minus 3 whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 5, and this one is equals to 4x square minus 24x plus 36 minus 5. So we have y is equals to 4x square minus 24x and 36 minus 5 is plus 31. Comparing with ax square minus b plus bx plus c, so we will have a is equals to 4, b is equals to negative 24, and c is equals to 31. These are the values of ABC which was required. Part B, the graph is translated by the vector negative 2 and 7. Find the equation of the translated graph. Okay, when the graph is translated by the vector negative 2, comma 7, the vertex will also be translated to the negative 2, comma 7. So we will solve this part using two methods. First method, vertex is also translated. For example, vertex was h in k, which is 3, and okay, and it has been translated by -2 and 7. So new vertex will be, it has been translated -2 unit in x-axis, so 3 minus 2 is x coordinate and +7 by in the y direction, so -5 plus 7. So this one is equals to 1 comma 2. So we have the new vertex which is 1 comma 2. So the new equation is equals to the a times x minus h whole square plus k, and in this case new h and new k is 1 and 2. So this one is equals to the a we just calculated in part a, which was 4. So a is 4. So this one is, a means 4 times x minus h, h is 1 whole square plus k, which is 2. So we will have 4 times x minus 1 whole square plus 2, which is the y, and this one is equation of the translated parabola. We can use another method, second method, and we can apply this translation directly to the this equation. So second method, so from the previous equation, this one, y is equals to 4 times x minus 3 whole square plus minus 5. We will apply the translation by the vector -2 and 7. Translation by vector -2 and 7. -2 means that graph has moved towards left side by 2 units. So replace x by x minus -2, or you can say that x plus 2. So x will be replaced with x plus 2. And so 7 represent the translation upward by 7 units. So we just need to add 7 to the equation. So this equation can be written as y is equals to 4 times x replaced by x plus 2. So x plus 2 minus 3 whole square minus 5, add to 7 to the equation, so plus 7. So we will have y is equals to 4, x plus 2 minus 3 is x minus 1 whole square minus 5 plus 7 is plus 2. So this one is the new equation or translated equation. So either you can use this method or you can use this method.